Mrs. B from the New City Library. I had a bit of a mystery when I was trying to figure out what bird song I was hearing a while back. I'd seen a house wren around, but I didn't think it was that. Then, after checking with another librarian, we decided what I was hearing was a Carolina wren. And then I saw the Carolina wren, and I figured we were right. Thanks for your help, Karen O. The house wren is a drab brown color that blends in with the branches and the lawns and doesn't stick out at all. The Carolina wren is a little brighter colored and has a distinctive yellowy white eyebrow stripe. I have one film of a house wren going into and out of a little house I have by my bird feeders. At least I'm pretty sure it's the house wren. Then I have a film of a wren singing in my tree, and I know that one is a house wren. Then I have a couple of song recordings of the Carolina wren, and you'll hear how different it sounds from the house wren. So I hope you can see some wrens around your yard. See you next time.